Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of a truly unique plant, the Midday Ice Plant. Known for its vibrant flowers and incredible ability to thrive in full sunlight, this plant is perfect for gardeners who want beauty and resilience. Let's explore why this amazing plant should be part of your garden. What is the Midday Ice Plant? The Midday Ice Plant, also called Delosperma cooperi, is native to South Africa. It's famous for its striking, daisy-like flowers that bloom during the hottest part of the day, unlike most other plants. Its succulent green leaves help it conserve water, making it ideal for hot, dry climates. Why it blooms at midday. While most flowers open in the cool morning, the ice plant blooms when the sun is strongest. This unique adaptation ensures it attracts midday pollinators like bees and butterflies, who are highly active in sunny conditions. Its reflective, shimmering flowers also help catch the attention of these insects. How to grow the ice plant. The Midday Ice Plant is incredibly easy to grow, even if you're a beginner gardener. Here's how to ensure it thrives. Sunlight. This plant loves full sun and will perform best when exposed to the brightest light for most of the day. Soil. The key to growing a healthy ice plant is ensuring the soil is well draining. Sandy, rocky, or gravelly soils are perfect, as they prevent water from sitting around the roots and causing rot. Watering. While it's a drought-tolerant plant, giving it a bit of water during dry spells, especially in the growing season, will encourage more vibrant and continuous blooming. Landscaping ideas. The Midday Ice Plant is perfect for xeriscaping and low-water gardens. Use it as ground cover in rock gardens, borders, or even in containers for a splash of color. It also works well in coastal areas and green roofs, adding color and resilience to tough environments. Easy maintenance. This plant is very low maintenance. A little trimming of spent flowers will encourage even more blooming. Plus, its natural resilience makes it largely pest-free. For gardeners looking for a beautiful, hardy plant that can thrive in dry conditions and support local wildlife, the Midday Ice Plant is the perfect choice. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such gardening tips. Happy gardening!